Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be documenting story number 8 in my December daily album using this cute little craft envelope from Ali Edwards. To start off, I'm using this little adhesive Velcro as a way of keeping the envelope open and closed. And that is an idea I got from Leilani from Leilani Scraps. She's one of my favorite YouTubers to follow. And this story is documenting our family's stocking exchange. So I come from a big family and it doesn't really make sense for us to each get each other all gifts because there's so many of us. So this year we decided to do a stocking exchange. So everyone was randomly assigned to someone else in the family and had a budget and filled their stocking. So we got together a little bit before Christmas to exchange them because my brother and his fiance go out of town for Christmas. So I had a lot of fun doing this page. It came together so quickly, as you can see by how short this video is, but I really like the way it came out. I kept it really simple, and I'm going to pull out some gold alphabet stickers. I have a bunch of them because I love the gold puffy, and I also have that gold tile that I really, really love. And I'm going to spell out Secret Stocking as like a title, and then you'll see me, I do go back to that painted wood veneer stocking that I had earlier as a holding place for my number for the story. So it was a really fun way to get together as a family and exchange gifts. It was fun too because it was before Christmas, so it was a little like pre-Christmas tease. And I just documented it all on my Instax Polaroid camera. So I used this specialty black film and took a photo of each person with their gift or their stocking sitting in this little chair beside our fireplace, and it was fun because everyone sat up there and opened up their gifts and then guessed who had them. So it was a really fun little event, and I think it's something we will continue doing in the future. So I'm spelling out secret with those Ali Edwards gold puffy alphabets or alpha stickers. I don't know, that sounded weird for some reason. And then I will spell out stocking with the gold tile stickers. And I really love tile stickers. I think that they are great because they're so small to add to a page, but they're easy to work with because they are little tiles, so they're easy to like stick next to each other and line up. So I wish I had more of these, but I did get some from Citrus Twist that are like white with blue font on them, but I haven't seen any gold foil ones like this before. So I think I got them at some random Tuesday morning embellishment pack a really long time ago, but I'm just working through them. And this page, honestly, or this, I don't know, story, it's not really a page, comes together super, super quickly. I love the little envelope idea. I love this set. That's like one of my favorite things from the release this year. So I'm excited to be able to use this one. I think it's a fun just element to create, again, something interactive. And yeah, so I'm going to use some red line tape, I think, to stick down the stocking, and I have it kind of hanging over the edge a bit of the envelope. And again, that becomes the holding place for my number as well, which I think turned out super cute. This is story number 8, but now that I'm looking back on it, I might change this to a different day because I usually want to document a Hanukkah story on story 8 because Hanukkah is 8 days, so it just makes sense. But we'll see if that ends up changing. You guys will see in a final flip through what I end up doing. I might be sharing that flip through next year though, because I tend to do that, but we'll see. And I don't know if I show you in this, but I end up doing I don't show you. I end up doing the journaling on the inside flap. So it ends up being really cute, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.